Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on your iPhone. Now I'm going to show you today all about how to use ebooks that we provide on the app. We have three different types of ebooks. We have the Kindle Mobi format, we have the Apple Books EPUB format, and we also have the standard PDF format. And we provide in all of our core books those three formats that you can download, and you can use then the favorite reader that you prefer for that type. So if you like Apple Books and want to read, say, The Desire of Ages on the Apple Books app, you can download our content in the EPUB format and use it. Or maybe you prefer Kindle books, and so you can download the Kindle Mobi format and use it within that app. It's very simple. I'm going to demonstrate to you right now how you can do it. So in front of me here, I have the All Collections, and I'm just going to open that up. I'm going to go to Books, and I'm going to come and click on Acts of the Apostles. Now, when you come up to the information screen, you can see here in Downloads that we have Download EPUB, Kindle, PDF, and I've previously spoken to you and taught you how to download the MP3 books. I'm just going to click on the Download EPUB. Now when I click on and download it, we have built into the app so that it will automatically open up within Apple iBooks Share. So I can click on the Apple Books, and there it is. Here's my Acts of the Apostles. I can click on where I want to go, say Chapter 1. I can open it up and I can go ahead and read through the book right there on my Apple Reader. You can do the same for Kindle Reader, and you can do the same if you have downloaded a PDF reader. Apple Books also can read it in the PDF reader. All right, so very simple. That is how you download the books from the EGW Writings 2 app to your Kindle Reader or to your Apple Books reader. Thanks for joining us now. Have a nice day. Bye for now.